Hey guys, Dave here from Wolf in the Wild Survival. I'm out and about today. I wasn't even planning on shooting a video, and I might have to reshoot it, but if you're seeing it, I didn't. It's really windy, and I'm filming on an iPhone, so I hope this turns out, but if not, I'll reshoot it. Okay, as you know, wild medicinal for you today, wild germanium. It's astringent, anti-inflammatory, antifungal. It's been used quite a lot by, I believe it was the Cherokee Indians of North America, for some of its more medicinal qualities. Not really a whole lot of flowers left on this plant, but that's okay, because the flowers aren't really what you use. Now let's just leaves and the roots are what you use generally. You can make an infusion of the leaves and use it as a skin wash for, what was it now? Sores, cuts, scrapes, minor abrasions, things like that. Or you can take pretty much the whole upper part of the plant, mash it all up, and apply it to more serious cuts and problems. The wind really picked up. I'm trying to have an area less windy here to do this. Okay, so it can also be used as a mouthwash for like mouth ulcers, throat infections, things of that nature. And the roots are actually better to use than the leaves for that kind of stuff. And root infusion can also be drank for diarrhea, stomach ulcers, internal bleeding, things like that. The poultice also can be applied to bruises, swollen feet, minor stuff, basically. And interestingly enough, it's got a little bit of folklore to it, because it used to be people would make little talismans out of the roots, and it would apparently attract happiness, and sort of bring your heart's desire. But the plant was also used to counter love potions. So how that works, whatever. It's got a lot of folklore to it that really doesn't apply here, but I just thought it was interesting. But yeah, minor complaints, cuts, scrapes, abrasions. It's fairly astringent, and much like most stuff like that, it's going to taste like crap. It's got a lot of tannins in it, so it's going to be really bitter. You don't drink it for the taste, you drink it for the medicine. Other than that, yeah, that's pretty much what I know. So there you have it. Wild germanium. It's a pretty unique plant. It's pretty hard to miss. Enjoy your day, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay wild.